When you buy a ClearSonic drum shield, you're buying more than just a couple sheets of plastic. All ClearSonic drum shields are built with pride right here in Akron, Ohio, and are made to hold up to the rigors of stage and studio use. Our drum shields ship quickly to you and arrive factory assembled in configurations from 2 to 7 panels. All you need to do is open the box, unfold the panel system, peel the paper masking off, and place it where you want it to go. All of our drum shields feature the highest quality custom mechanical locking hinges that run the full length of the panel, thoughtfully designed cable cutouts that outperform our competitors' mouse hole design by allowing less sound to escape, and are engineered to fold accordion style for easy portability, setup, and storage. Please don't hesitate to contact us with any questions you may have about setup, maintenance, or even expanding your drum shield into a full isolation booth. Capture your sound your way with ClearSonic drum shields.